I'm Mike Pankonin. I'm the Senior Director of Tech and Safety Services for AEM. And what we deal with a number of different product groups. We have about 34 plus product groups where we deal with issues that the industry faces on a product by product basis. And then we also deal with topical issues like silica exposure, noise and vibration, Tier 4 issues. Those are the types of things that we work with. I think underground, they've already regulated a requirement for some of this notification technology to avoid backovers. That has not taken place on surface mines yet, to the best of my knowledge, but I think that's the way the industry is going, even just from a voluntary standpoint. You see that as an offered feature or benefit on many pieces of equipment now. The question has to do with access systems. And I mentioned before, AEM is very supportive of standards development. And we do support the development of access and egress standards through the ISO system. With an aging workforce, that's becoming more and more important to mine operators, to have methods in which people can easily get to their work locations on the piece of equipment. And that's true of the operator as well as for maintenance personnel. Manufacturers go to great lengths to make this equipment safe for all parties who work either on it or around the equipment, including moving fueling stations or maintenance stations to ground level to make them very easy to get to. Actually, concerning standardization, when I talk about that, I'm generally referring to voluntary consensus standards. And one of the things we like to say often at AEM is do it once, do it right, and do it globally. So by doing that, and by having common standards, you avoid some of the issues that manufacturers have to deal with when you have little pockets of requirements in different countries or different locations of the world, or even on job sites. And standardization, we feel, is going to make a very important impact in the future on equipment. I think that there have been great strides made in standardization. We are very supportive of the ISO standards. We're also aware of and we try to harmonize with other standards, be it in the European community, or Australia has some very strong standards work that they're working on. We try to work with our members to be aware of and keep appraised of all those different standards that are available. Yeah, when we talk about the automation of the job site and the whole idea of improving efficiency, a lot of it will require changes in the way the job site works, I believe. And part of that is automating the equipment. In order for automation to be successful, the equipment needs to be able to communicate in a common language. And up to this point, we don't have standardized communications. And I think there's an opportunity for a standardization in those communication protocols so that when a machine operates on the job site, it knows where the other equipment is. It can communicate back to the primary operator, and all of the machines are talking the same language. Virtually any of our members can participate in the work that we do just by expressing an interest. And all you need to do is give us a call. We will get you in the right direction, put you on the mailing lists and on the rosters to be able to participate. And we're always looking for new participants.